video is going up extremely late. And normally I would probably just not even film this. I would just keep the box to myself. But when I have packaging that looks like this, I can't not open it, you guys, and film it with you. Like, I have to know what's in this. Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video. We are going to be doing an unboxing of the PLouise subscription box. This is for April 2024. Now, like I said, I know it's late. This box came in while I was on vacation because, to begin with, PLouise does ship late, and I think I received it at the first part of May. And then I got the box in, and you guys, it just takes so much to recover from a trip. It does. There's so much laundry and there's so much mail. And then in my case, all of these boxes. And so yes, I am extremely late on this. Normally I would be like, you know what, forget it. I'm just not even gonna post it. But every time I look at this box, I'm like, it's a whole suitcase. Like I have to open this and film this. So we are opening up the PLouise April budget box, and we're gonna see what's in our suitcase. So if you guys would like to purchase the PLouise budget box, I will post a link down below, but you will not receive this box because, like I said, this was April's. They've already shipped all of these out. If you order in the month of June, you will receive the June box, but it usually does not ship until the first week of the following month. So expect it sometime around July is when you would receive your June box. So this is our gorgeous suitcase, and it says ready, set, pack your and go. So we've got our little handle up here. I mean, it's cute, you guys, like all the way around. Packaging is adorable. This cosmetic company is so on point with packaging. Like, I am literally jealous. If I had a company, I would want to be exactly like PLouise. This is what I would aspire to be. So inside of my suitcase, I do have a little magazine. We don't usually get magazines, so this is different. And then I think these are all of the products that we're getting. It looks like there's gonna be 6 items in the box. So inside of your suitcase, you're gonna have 6 items here. So our first item that we have looks like a can. It even has a pull tab. So Feel the Fizz, Toxic Tingle, Bitter and Fitter. Are these like bath salts? It says lemon sherbet. What are these though? Oh, 1 Tingle lip oil and 1 Tingle lip conditioner. Oh, totally not what I thought it was gonna be. So it looks like a biohazard can, and inside we're gonna have 2 lip products. Okay, that is so clever, you guys. I'm telling you, I don't know of anybody else that does packaging like this. To look at this and go a biohazard can, like, I think that's adorable. So inside of the can, we do have our 2 lip products. And like I said, they're both going to be lemon scented. So this one is the lip conditioner, and it's basically going to be a gloss. And then it has the gold keychain as well, so you can hook this on and take it with you everywhere. The other product is their lip oil, and this one will help to give you a little bit of plumpness to your lips as well. So they want you to use both and kind of stack them over top of each other. This one is called Sharp Bite, which will also be that lemon scent. And then, like she said, it's supposed to be a tingly sensation. And I'm assuming that's because it is a plumping gloss, which usually happens with plumping lip oils or glosses, is there is a little bit of a tingle. So let me go ahead and smell this. Oh my gosh, it is lemon. It smells like fresh squeezed lemon. It is perfect, you guys. Great for summer. I love lemon as it is, so this is exactly what I will use. Huge applicator, which is really nice. And then this is the gloss here when you put it down. This one, I almost feel like there's a touch of a gold shimmer in it even. I feel like it's just ever so slightly, just in the light, I can kind of see a shimmer there. But it's a beautiful shine and it smells wonderful. So yes, I will use this product. Love the packaging, love the scent, love what it does. I love this one. Next up, we also have a setting spray in the box, and this is called Fix Up. And the scent on this, I don't know if there is a scent. I don't see anything that says there is one, but this is gonna be our full-size setting spray, and it's got all these gears on it like you're fixing it. There's also a face primer in the box, and it's called Get a Grip. So here's our gripping primer. By the way, all of the products in the box are cruelty-free as well. So everything that I've gotten from her brand is cruelty-free, which I love. But this primer will be clear, and like I said, it's a face primer, so it will lock in your makeup throughout the day. If it's anything like her eyeshadow primers, I love those and they work so well. So if this is like those, I'm going to be completely satisfied with that. But if you've not tried her eyeshadow primers, she has really good ones and you can get them in all different shades as well. So if you want to do like cut creases or anything, they're perfect for that too. Okay, next up, I have a tear-proof mascara. Love this. This one says Counting My Blessings and Lash Obsessing. Now, I'm assuming it's in the shade black just because of the black teardrop on the side, but we'll open it up and double check here. But it looks like it's full size. It's tearless and fearless. Breakups can be messy, but your makeup doesn't have to be. Oh, this is cute. I can't help it, you guys. The packaging just gets me every single time, and I love it. So here's what your mascara will look like. And it looks like it has a tape all the way around it and it says no more tears. And then this will be your black mascara. Now this one has really short fibers, which are great for that lower lash line. So I do love when we have wands like this. The other thing is that on one side, it's going to be higher. So it has a bit of a crescent shape. So it's kind of nice because you've got like a curved wand and a straight wand all in one. The only thing I will say about this is it feels small compared to other full-size mascaras. Like I can just tell holding this is a smaller tube than all of my other ones. All right, now we're gonna move on to the two larger items inside of our box. So this is our next one and it says, You Give Me the Ick. This is trigger warning. I'm moving on up to lipstick that can last. My tastes have changed. This babe has got class. So we have a full-size lipstick palette here. So this is what our lipstick palette will look like. We do have a mirror, and then down below we're gonna have several different cream lipstick shades. Her tones tend to be very neutral, at least in the boxes. She does have other lipstick palettes on the website that have lots of colors, but I do feel like that every time I get one in the boxes, they're along this very neutral shade range. They're not your usual lipstick colors. Because normally, you know, you see like reds and pinks for your lipsticks, but hers tend to be very neutral and very like brown almost. So I don't know if that's a personal preference. Maybe that's just the looks she creates are very neutral nude lips, but that is one thing I've just noticed. But it is really cute palette. I love the packaging that's on here, and I do like that we got a full size one here. Last item inside of this box says All Over the Place, and it again is like a take on a suitcase and traveling. So you can kind of see those buckles on there, which is really cute. This says there are bronzing powders, highlighting powders, powder blush, and cream blushes. So we have a face palette here, cruelty-free again. Okay, I like that we get a face palette because, you know what? In summertime, I feel like I go through tons of bronzer and contouring. So I love when we get these and I can restock. So this is what it looks like. Classic hearts for PLouise. Gorgeous shadows. Now her highlighters over here, oh my gosh, I have nothing but good things to say about them. They are so pigmented and they're so bright when you put them on, but they last all day long too. They're not like flaking off. So I love her formulas for highlighters. So you're gonna see we've got our two highlighters over here. We have our two powder blushes in this row. These are gonna be our two cream blushes, and then we have two bronzers over here. So this is a full face palette. I love it. I love her heart pans too. Are those just not cute? I am so glad that I opened this with you guys because it's really, really fun. So that is everything inside of my April budget box from PLouise. I love the lip products probably the most because I love lemon scented items and those smell so good and I will use them constantly. So I really like that a lot. I think the palette is great. I will definitely be using the face palette. I do think the primer and the setting spray I need to try. I'm a little picky about those, and if they don't hold my makeup in place, I won't keep them. So those ones I'm still like on the fence with. I need to really try them out and see what they're like. I have high hopes for the primer just because, like I said, the eyeshadow primer is phenomenal. But then the mascara, again, I need to try that and kind of see what it's like. It does feel a little small, but I like the wand, so I am excited to try it. But again, it's just a happy overall experience. So if you guys would like to try out the PLouise budget box, like I said, I do have that link down below and you guys can order one yourself. Every month the theme does change and you'll receive a variety of products, but the packaging is always super cute. So until next time, beautifuls, have a great rest of your day and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye!